Today, XRP Insider is the best place to get daily news about XRP and Ripple. We'll talk about Ripple's most recent court case and the changes in the coin markets in this episode. Even though Ripple just won a case against the SEC that made people worry about XRP's regulatory situation and investor protections, the company is now facing another class action lawsuit. There are predictions that the price of Bitcoin will drop significantly after BlackRock's moves to set up a location. Investors are interested in XRP ETFs because they hint at big changes in the way people invest in cryptocurrencies. David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, is also going to talk about Ripple's blockchain strategy for 2024 and make a bold claim about the value of XRP. What does it mean that one coin is worth $100 in XRP? As we talk about the arguments about who created Bitcoin. If you haven't already, come with us as we talk about these big changes that are affecting the direction of cryptocurrencies. If you haven't already, please subscribe, click the like button, and let us know in the comments what about XRP and Ripple is most exciting to you this week. One new case that Ripple has filed is called the Ripple. The case was filed in the Northern District of California on behalf of two groups that include all people or businesses that bought XRP between July 3rd and July 17th. 2017 and June 30th, 2023, and either kept the asset or sold it for less than what it was worth. The lawsuit says that Ripple, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and its subsidiary XRP2 LLC broke federal and California securities rules by selling and buying the digital asset XRP without being registered. After its big win in court against the SEC, the case is likely to face another class action lawsuit. As part of their denials of any wrongdoing, Ripple and the other accused said they were not required to list XRP as a security. This may have made the way clear. In today's episode, we talked about Ripple's latest legal troubles in a class action lawsuit and how the cryptocurrency market is changing. We talked about how people are guessing that Bitcoin's price will go up and down and how excited people are about a possible BlackRock XRP-based exchange-traded fund. Many people are interested in these talks because Ripple's CEO David Schwartz is expected to make some big announcements in Denver about the company's blockchain plans and the controversial price of $100 per XRP coin. Bring attention to the complicated web of legal, technological, and financial factors that affect the Bitcoin market. Why David Schwartz is worth more than $100 a coin when he shows up at the next David Schwartz. At the Denver event, CTO of Ripple is likely to share his ideas. According to a recent tweet he sent, he will be talking about Ripple's 2024 blockchain plan. Among other things, he will be talking about EVM programmability and blockchain interoperability, which should give us some useful information about the direction of blockchain technology. Many people also think Schwartz will give his opinion. I've told you why. Hey, Ripple coin must cost more than $100 to be considered valuable. People will probably be very interested in hearing what he has to say about this. Many people interested in cryptocurrencies are looking forward to Schwartz's show, and what he has to say about the future of blockchain technology and Ripple's plans could have a big effect on the market. You can still sign up for the event. People in the cryptocurrency community who have been watching Ripple's progress over the years are likely to pay close attention to Schwartz's appearance at the event. For people who want to hear from Schwartz, this is the third festival in the series. Schwartz has asked people who follow him on Twitter to come and hear him talk about things like EVM programmability and blockchain interoperability. He also said that he would talk about Ripple's strategy for the blockchain in 2024. Schwartz is one of the people who came up with the idea for the XRP ledger, so people in the cryptocurrency community will likely pay close attention to him when he shows up at the event. There will be an informal chat with him, and the conversation is likely to be about what Ripple wants to do with blockchain technology in the future. In the meantime, Schwartz recently made news for making fun of Craig Wright, who calls himself a Bitcoin pioneer. Schwartz commented on a tweet that a user named Joseph P. Garting had sent that showed Wright didn't know how to code in C. It says in the tweet that it couldn't have written the Bitcoin code. Schwartz then went on to look at Roy's old blog and found several issues with the code. These, he believes, clearly show that Wright is not the founder using a fake name. He said it wasn't clear what Bitcoin was. You should use digits and numbers instead. A lot of people have talked about Schwartz's claim that smart programmers wouldn't make such easy mistakes. In the world of blockchain, and many people believe that his attendance at the next event will tell more about Ripple's plans for the growth of blockchain technology. You still have time to sign up for the event. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to talk to Schwartz in person can still sign up to be a part of the world's BlackRock XRP ETF. A crypto expert says that BlackRock may be thinking about releasing a spot-based product soon, even though the biggest asset manager hasn't said for sure that it wants to do so. The asset manager might let us know that papers has been sent to us. After the official end of the Ripple vs SEC lawsuit, fans of XRP have asked the Securities and Exchange Commission (CC) to create a spot XRP ETF to go along with the recent rise in demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Some people say that a spot market for coins is a good idea. Exchange-traded fund, which was made clear by regulators in July 2023 as not being an asset by a court order. In a recent post on the social networking site X, which used to be called Twitter, analyst Ashley Prosper looked into the theory. The XRP case is now in the remedies phase over Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors. This has to do with BlackRock's possible move. BlackRock's spot XRP ETF doesn't have a set start date, but someone in the XRP community said that an XRP-based product would get more money flowing into it than BlackRock's shares. She thinks the wealth manager will make the announcement a few weeks after the case is over. Some news about the Bitcoin Trust ETF IBT says that since its launch on NASDAQ on January 11th, EBIT has managed over $6.6 billion in assets, keeping its spot as the best provider among the 11 ETFs. Because BlackRock is the market leader in spot Bitcoin ETFs, Crypto is sure that if BlackRock launched a spot XRP ETF, it would make the growing market look bad. A possible XRP ETF would bring in huge amounts of money from investors who want to bet on the sixth biggest cryptocurrency without having to buy or hold it themselves. The results of the latest technical trading reports for XRP have been amazing for buyers over the past few months. Prepare yourself for the month ahead. Back in March here, they are getting ready for a fun trip. Looking at the crypto rankings data shows an interesting mix of trends and oddities that point to big changes coming in the future. Based on information like this, even experts were surprised by how well February did. For the second time in 5 years, XRP finished the month with a gain. Roy, the average return on investment usually goes down in February by -4.12%, but this year it jumped to an amazing 6.11%. Looking ahead, an unexpected turn of events has raised hopes as March approaches. Average returns in the past have been good, with a gain of 21% on average. However, the median return is at least 4.18%, which points to a more cautious view. There are going to be some surprises in March, but trends from the past give investors who are hoping for growth some hope. Since 2021, XRP has been going up in March every year. The numbers went up a lot in 2021 and 2023 by 37.7% and 43% respectively. The fact that the streak will last longer in March thanks to the difference between the average and median data shows how uncertain the future of XRP is. Of months when XRP is profitable, or will the median number prevalence show a less strong outcome? Investors are eagerly waiting for answers as they get ready for a finish. It looks like this is a very important month for the well-known coin. Ripple's most recent legal problems, which came from a class action lawsuit, were talked about in today's finale episode. The show also talked about how the cryptocurrency market is changing, with rumors of a possible BlackRock XRP-based exchange-traded fund and predictions of price swings in Bitcoin. People are very interested in these talks because Ripple's CTO David Schwartz is expected to make some big announcements in Denver about the company's blockchain plans and the controversial